In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from Google Find My Device. First, open your web browser on a computer or phone and go to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type "How to remove a device from Google Find My Device" and press Enter. This helps you quickly find the official Find My Device page or related help articles if you need extra guidance later. Now, you'll want to access the Find My Device website directly. In the search results, look for the official Google Find My Device link and click it. If you're not already signed in, Google will ask you to log into your account. Make sure you use the same Google account that's currently signed in on the device you want to remove. Once you're on the Find My Device page, you'll see a list of devices associated with your account. At the top or on the side, there's usually a drop-down or a list where you can select each device. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure you correctly identify the device you want to remove, especially if you have multiple phones, tablets, or laptops under the same account. After selecting the device, you'll see information about it, such as the last known location and some available actions. Depending on the device and its status, you may see options like Ring, Lock, or Erase. To fully remove a device from Find My Device, it generally needs to be either signed out of your Google account or reset. If you still have physical access to the device, the cleanest approach is to remove the Google account from that device itself. On the device, go into Settings, then Accounts or Google, select your Google account, and choose the option to remove the account. Once that's done and the device is back online, it will stop appearing as an active, trackable device in Find My Device. If you've lost the device or no longer have it, use the Erase option in Find My Device to remotely wipe it. Follow the prompts carefully because this will delete data from the device. After the erase is complete, the device will be unlinked for tracking purposes and will typically disappear from the active list over time. To confirm everything worked, refresh the Find My Device page and check that the device is no longer listed as active. That's all you need to do to remove a device from Google Find My Device.